What? What do you want? No. No bark. What do you want, Annabelle? Want a cookie? Want attention? You sliding? Annabelle. You want a cookie? You a good girl? What? You're just sliding backwards. Come here, Belly. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good girl. You want a cookie? Hey, focus. Good girl. You want a cookie? What? No. Well, that you want a cookie. That's what it is? Is this killing you? Is this just killing you? Yes, it is. You're a good girl. You can get cookies. See if I can figure out where to put them. Right there. Off. Off. Sit. There's one in here. Yep. You see if you'll do it down. Down. All the way. No. We're not pawing at things. Down. All the way. Good girl. That's enough. Here.